How does one add up and upload file onto a website form? This is what we're going to be explaining in this video. One of our clients actually asked how to do this, where someone enters their email and then there's just a quick video on how to do that. So if you go on our website creative21.co.uk, if you're using our builder, you click on web builder here, you'll be taken to your dashboard, and then all you need to do is to click on start landing page, and then once you do that, you just click on edit. Basically, the first thing is a blank canvas, and in this case I'm just going to pick any canvas on the contact us page. Okay, I'm just going to pick anything that has got a contact us page. So I'm just going to pick that, and then I'm going to look for the contact us page, and that's the contact us page right there. And then I'm going to import this. Let's say you've done your design already, and then you're working on this, or in other case in a second. Okay, so let's say this is what you're working on. You need to collect the first name, the email address, phone number, and then the subject, and then the message, and then you need to add and upload file. All you have to do is to click on that. Okay, all you have to do is to click on that, and what you can do is you can click on this element, the sent message element, and then you can duplicate that. So what it simply means is that you have got the sent the message, and then you've got the message there. You click on this one, the top element anywhere inside the box, and then you click on this little icon that is the fields. Okay, and then where it says paragraph here, you need to change to that, and then you select file. Once you select file, as you can see here, it says now choose file, and then what I need to do is to change this this message, and then I'll say upload. Probably you're saying CV or resume, upload resume, or whatever you need to say, CV, and then you can say 2 MB max size. Okay, you can give the instructions of what you need there. Max size. Okay, it doesn't really have to be a long text, yeah, that you can actually put there, because in some devices it might be this text may not be visible. So what I'm gonna do here, let me just change the background color for this so that it can be a little bit darker, so that these fields can be really visible. Okay, that's what we need to see. Okay, so one thing that you can do as well is to click on this element, and then you click on the form again. So you're going to notice that here, this is where you can customize what you want the form to do, and then you can just say the maximum size file is 2 megabytes or 3 megabytes, and then you can select if this is required, and these are the type of documents that are needed. So what I can do is I'm just going to copy that. Then when I copy that, I'm going to go to my file and then click on label. Okay, and then now once I'm on label, I'm going to change this to a different color as well, so that I can see these labels. Okay, let me see if I can put white. So as you can see, these are the labels that have been added there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is, let's see if I can change this. Okay, that's working with that. So the labels as well can be at the top there if you want. So again, these labels can be changed, so it can be different text. Okay, so here I'm just gonna remove this. And what I need to do here is to put a label that says PNG JPEG. So if people come to this, they know that they are supposed to upload these different types of files. So what I need you to do as well is to understand that in order for you to receive these emails, once someone submits there, you click on this button. Once you click on this button, you go on this icon that looks like a plug, and then you click on that, and then you click on email notifications. What you're simply telling the system is that you're saying that once someone submits a form, you get notified. You enter your email address, and then you put the subject line, or you say employment or job application, and then you just go with the form name. From name is where the email is coming from, so you can just put something that you can always remember. I guess I've actually answered the question of how to do just that. And then again, now let's say, let me just go here. Let's say again you are working on something, and then you don't want to use this form, you want to start your form from scratch. So what I recommend you do is to click on these this icon so that you can search an element, and then you can just you can search for a form, and then you drag and drop the form onto the canvas. And then once you have that, you have email select. So this is the select option. This is a select option. So again, you go on there and then you click on the form, and then you select the file type, the type that you need to use for the form, and then for the field, I mean, and then you just click on file. Then now it is called choose file, and then here we have let's say CV upload. Okay, there we go. We have CV upload, and yeah, that's all I can say. And then if you want to do some of the, let me see if I can, if you want to do some of the advanced techniques, whereby you say if someone sends a message here, it's just gonna say message sent, or error message message not sent. If there's an error, you can just put in some fields here, and then you can do a redirect, whereby if you want people, once they submit, they go to another page or thank you page where you give them instructions that they need to do. You can actually put the link here. So let me just publish this and show you what it looks like in what I've just done. Live website. Okay, this is just a demo, and then if I go here, I want to type in my name and everything. I just click on choose file, and then it's gonna go onto the computer, and then it can choose the file that I want, and then I'm just gonna input all the other details and then just hit enter. And then the same applies on this customized form. I'm just going to click on that, and then I can pick the file that I want. I can just pick that. Let me see if I can pick that. And then as you can see, the file has actually been attached, and then I can just hit send. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.